Hello everyone, today we will guide you on how to connect your air conditioner to the SmartThings app and unlock smarter control for your home. Check the basic requirements.
Before we begin, let's make sure everything is ready. Ensure SmartThings is installed and set up on your smartphone.
Make sure your smartphone and AC are connected to the same Wi-Fi router. The AC supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Ensure at least 3 Wi-Fi signal bars are visible. Connect SmartThings to your AC. Open the SmartThings app and tap the plus icon. Select Add Device. Scan the QR code. The air conditioner will get registered to your Samsung account. Tap Done.
Your air conditioner is now successfully connected. You can control it anytime from anywhere. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.